Use rock climbing equipment. Rock climbing is a strenuous and dangerous sport. The success of the climb is based on the skill of the climber as well as the right equipment. As a climber, you must learn to trust your equipment so you can focus on what you need to do to complete the climb. Here's how to use rock climbing equipment. Learn from an expert. It's important that you first take rock climbing lessons before you proceed with an outdoor free climb. An expert will teach you the correct technique on how to handle different challenges during a climb, as well as teach you to become familiar with your equipment. Get the correct shoes. The first thing you need to be able to climb properly is the proper rock climbing shoes. The right pair of shoes should fit snugly on your feet. Rock climbing shoes are different from other pairs of shoes because it allows you to have more friction on a surface to prevent slipping. It takes getting used to wearing a pair of rock climbing shoes, because it can feel uncomfortable to walk around in it, but the difference can be seen once the climb begins. Wear the harness. A harness goes around the waist and is inserted through the legs. This redistributes the weight of the climber and allows for the rope to be attached. Belay device. A belay is a metal ring wherein the rope is threaded and is attached to the harness of the climber. Another person uses it to control the climb of another climber. It helps prevent falls. Choose the correct rope. When rock climbing, it's essential that you have the correct rope. The size ranges from 8 to 10 mm and affords a bit of stretch. Rock climbing ropes are made of durable construction to aid the climber have more flexibility and to be able to support the weight of the climber. It is also resistant to friction, another added safety feature. There are different types of knots that you can use when climbing. Also, you must always place the rope in your front rather than behind your leg to prevent getting entangled in the rope. Prepare the carabiners. These aluminum rings are where the rope is threaded through. It has a gate that opens so you can slip in the rope. During a climb, you may use different types of carabiners depending on the surface you are climbing. It comes in a D shape, which is the most flexible of the gates, oval gate shape used for longer stretches of climb, or a bent gate shape which allows for quick opening and closing. Place the protection properly. This is a device inserted in the rock and can be later removed as needed. Choose between a monolithic or spring-loaded protection, depending on the demands of the climb. It's important to use only equipment specifically made for rock climbing. There are various other equipments available, but these are some of the basics that will help you get started. Practice using the equipment in an indoor environment before proceeding to more rigorous outdoor climbs.